Hello everyone. I wanted to walk you through, since I've added some things to the class, just a new little video to one more time set expectations and make sure everyone's on the same page. So I've signed in here to Schoology, and I'm using just a student just to see this is how it'll appear to you, what you will see. When you look on the right, these are the things that you're going to be responsible for doing. I'm going to be checking off these. That's where you used to, where I told you before, to take pictures. We're not going to do it that way. You're going to go through these assignments. They're like quizzes. So each one refers to the particular lesson. So some keys for you. When you, and I'm going to replace this video right here, and so that's going to be that. If you want to take attendance and you have questions, go to this video. Obviously, there's your Desmos graphs. If we're going to do this assignment here, 7-1, what you'll do is you'll go down to Chapter 7. So scroll down, there's Chapter 7. And you'll watch the videos. If you want to take notes on a piece of notebook paper, that's fine. If you want to go in here to 7-1 and print off your blank packet and fill it in that way, that's fine. I don't care how you do it, because you're just going to submit to me all your answers right there. Here's what I highly suggest. As you get to your guided practices, use these Desmos links to help you solve the problems. Okay, and the ACP problem, I want you to know, is also in the YouTube video there at the end. Okay, but once you watch the videos, you learn the material, you go and do your guided practices. Use those two links to really help you out. Just, click on one, whatever, go through it. Just change all the data so you can get your answers. Once you have your answers for your packet, you'll click this. This is kind of like what we used to do for bell ringers and DOLs in class, and you will take this. And I have changed it to where now you have 20 attempts on any one of them. It won't tell you what you got right or wrong, but it will tell you your grade. You'll have 20 attempts to work on that. It's randomized, but I've changed it to where it should, most of them should look like pictures. I haven't yet done 7-1, but 7-2 and 7-3 are updated, so it should look more like your packet. You'll be able to see your answers better. You can replace it, like I said, up to 20 times and do that. That's one grade. Now don't forget, you always have Alex. Again, with the Alex, I would use these two links. Now some students are going to try to get away with not watching any videos, and some of you might be smart enough to do that, but most of you, you're going to waste more time trying to do your Alex, trying to do those guided practices without watching them. It'd be simpler just to watch the 3-minute, 4-minute video, learn how to do the problem, and do the example one time and get it right. So that's what I would suggest. Watch the example, use your Desmos, get the correct answer for each guided practice. When I'm talking about guided practice, let me click on this packet here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do it through this completed notes. You're going to watch the videos. And so let's say I'm watching the first video, which would be example 1. It'll walk you through this, and as I'm writing on the video, you'll see all this stuff come up, and I write through how to teach this problem. And then comes the guided practice right here. Now I have edited most of the following assignments. I'll try to do the 7-1 if I get time to go back to where it'll look like the actual pictures, but you can go to Desmos and you can graph this equation. If you just click, you're going to have to figure out, is this a horizontal or vertical? And it all depends on what's squared. Since that squared is with the x, if you think about growing up, when x is squared, what's it look like, a vertical parabola or a horizontal? That'll help you out. But once you graph it on the correct graph, it should pop up and you'll get your picture and you can get your answer and move on. So then you'd watch your next video. Once you watch video 2, you can do any math you need to get your answer here, or you can use your Desmos calculator. Again, the values should be popping up in Desmos. So I hope that helps. Each day, if you will, you'll have 2 grades. You'll have the one that's this quiz over the packet, the guided practices, and then you'll have your Alex. So just as a reminder, those are the things you're responsible for.